The biggest spoiler of the year is here. What's up guys, so Samsung's flagship devices for the Unpacked 2022 are here. We finally have the first look at the actual design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and well, this might be disappointing, but there is a hidden surprise that Samsung may have planned for you. Let's take a look at the design of the Z Fold 4 first, and as you can see, it looks pretty much the same. It does have a slightly wider outer screen, but you can't really tell the difference. The size of the outer screen is 6.2 inches, and for the inner screen we have a 7.6 inch display. Once again, the Z Fold 4 remains to be the only product with the under display camera on any Samsung device right now. Now looking at the back, we have the triple camera system, again pretty much the same look as last year's model, but the difference this time is that this triple camera is coming with the Galaxy S22 Ultra's main sensor, which is at 108 megapixels. The only thing that we don't have is that long-range periscope zoom of the S22 Ultra, so instead you get the 3x optical zoom from the Galaxy S22 series. It's definitely the best camera setup that Samsung has ever put on a foldable device. Now while visually the Z Fold 4 looks the same as the Z Fold 3, the biggest difference could actually be the weight. Yes, according to Universe, the Z Fold 4 could possibly be the lightest foldable phone in its class, even lighter than the iPhone 13 Pro Max with a case. Now looking at the Z Flip 4, we have the same design as last year's model with a slightly thicker battery and a slightly larger outer screen. Again, you can't see those differences. Even with no major change, it's still going to be the best clamshell fold you can pick up, as Samsung is bringing Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip along with some other meaningful changes, plus the Galaxy S22 series cameras on the Z Flip 4. So looking at this leak, it's pretty obvious that Samsung didn't do anything major with the design. Once again, it's a refinement upgrade, but the big surprise could be the pricing. The Z Fold 4 is indeed expected to be cheaper than last year's Fold 3. Samsung is still the #1 dominant force in the foldable market with no proper real challenge yet. Well, not until Apple makes a foldable, but right now Samsung's ability to make foldable smartphones is far more stronger in numbers compared to any brand out there, which is why they will win. This leak also makes it very clear for those who are already using the Flip 3 or Fold 3 to not upgrade, or some of you can actually save money potentially by going for the previous generation. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy Z series. Do you think Samsung is moving in the right direction? Are you guys looking forward to the Fold 4, especially with the next gen UDC and of course Galaxy S22 Ultra style cameras and possibly a really good price? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.